Hello everyone, myself Ayush Srivastava, class 10th. Today I am here to show my presentation of Art Integration project on Sikkim. I hope it will be informative to you and enjoy this. Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. The kingdom of Sikkim was founded by the Namgyal dynasty in the 17th century. It was ruled by Buddhist priest kings known as the Chogyal. It became a princely state of British India in 1890. Following Indian independence, Sikkim continued its protectorate status with the Union of India after 1947 and the Republic of India after 1950. It enjoyed the highest literacy rate and per capita income among Himalayan states. In 1973, anti-royalist riots took place in the front of Chogyal's palace. In 1975, after the Indian army took over the city of Gangtok, a referendum was held that led to the deposition of the monarchy and Sikkim joining India as its 22nd state. Sikkim is the least populous and second smallest state of India. In 1891, the census of the Sikkim has been arranged and conducted under the guidance of Census Authority of West Bengal. For the first time in 1971, the government of Sikkim took an initiative to bring out separate census report and this revealed that Sikkim has total population of 15,014 in 1901 census, which is increased to 6,10,577 in 2011. This is the population graph of Sikkim from 1971 to 2011. Urban population is specified population ranges. Total urban population of the state 1,53,578 persons are scattered in the 8 statutory towns and 1 census town. Gangtok, the capital town of the state, is obviously the most populated with 1,286 persons, followed by Namchi and Rangpo with 12,190 and 10,450 respectively. The census town Rehenkok has the population of 5,883 persons. Thus, it is apparent that all the 4 towns sharing 1,22,487 are located in the East District. South District has 21,199, West District has 5,248, North District has 4,644. Here is the list of the division of the urban population in Sikkim. Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. It borders with Tibet in the north and northeast, Bhutan in the east, Nepal in the west, and West Bengal in south. Almost 35% of the state is covered by the Kanchenjunga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sikkim is one of the great political and strategic importance for India because of its location along several international borders. Its area is 2,740 square miles, 7,096 square kilometer, area ranked 27th. Dance culture in Sikkim. The 3 ethnic communities Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepalis constitute the folk dance and songs which are an ingrained part of Sikkimese culture. The dancers dance to the melodious tunes duly supported by musical instruments such as yarkha, drum, flute and yangje. Now here you can see the traditional dance of Sikkim.
Aya to dhago, aya to ajo.
Sikkim is one of the most beautiful state of India. Almost the entire state is hilly, and the summit of Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest peak, is the state's highest point and situated on the border between Sikkim and Nepal. The state has 28 mountain peaks, more than 80 glaciers, 227 high altitude lakes including the Zangmo, Guru Dwangmar and Khechi Polari lakes, 5 major hot springs and more than 100 rivers and streams. 8 mountain passes connect the state of Tibet, Bhutan and Nepal. Apart from the eastern Himalaya, the Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity including alpine and subtropical climates. Sikkim has 5 seasons: winter season, summer season, spring season, autumn season and monsoon season. The majority of Sikkim residents are of Nepali ethnic origin. The native Sikkimese consist of the Bhutias who migrated from the Tibet in 14th century, and the Lepcha were believed to predate the Bhutias and are the oldest known inhabitant. There are 4 major official languages of Sikkim: English, Nepali, Sikkimese and Sikkimese for Bhutia and Lepcha. For the purpose of preservation of tradition and culture in Sikkim, there are some additional official languages also. Culture. Sikkim's Nepali majority celebrate all major festivals including Tihar, Diwali and Dasan, Dasahra. Traditional local festivals such as Maghe, Sankranti, Sakela, Chasok, Tangnam and Bhimsen Puja are popular. Lazar, Saga Dawa, Lahab, Duichen, Drupaka, Teshi and Bhumchu are among the Buddhist festivals celebrated in Sikkim. During the Losar Tibetan New Year, most offices and education institutions are closed for a week. Sikkimese Muslims celebrate Eid ul-Fitr and Muharram. Christmas has been promoted in Gangtok to attract tourists during the off-season. Western rock music and Indian pop have gained a wide following in Sikkim. Nepali rock and Lepcha music are also popular. Sikkim's most popular sports are football and cricket, although hang gliding and river rafting have grown popular as part of the tourism industry. Food. Noodle-based dishes such as thukpa, chow mein, faktu, gaithuk and wonton are common in Sikkim. Momos, steamed dumplings filled with vegetables, beef or pork and served with soup with a popular snack. Beer, whiskey, rum and brandy are widely consumed in Sikkim, as in Tongba, a millet-based alcoholic beverage that is popular in Nepal and Darjeeling. Now let us know more about the culture of Sikkim by watching some traditional dresses of Sikkim. Thokro Dum, the primary outfit for Lepcha community members. It consists of white pajamas stretching up to the calves, Lepcha shirt, sambo, embroidered cap. Bhaku Kho, the main costume donned by Bhutias. It is a loose cloak-like grab which is tied at the neck and tightened around the waist by a belt made of silk or cotton. Nowadays, a woman pair it with a pair of jeans to add a western twist. Shurval. The Nepalese men of Sikkim wear this outfit. A long double-breasted garment follows below the waist along with the trouser. The churidar bottom is called shurval and the pajama shirt is known as daura. A sakot, a waistcoat and patuki, a belt is worn to complement the shurval. They also carry the khukri, a heavy weapon carried in a leather case known as dao. Paharia. Augmenting the grace of Nepalese women, the traditional attire called paharia is available in a variety of different hues. It consists of a long, loose blouse fastened on four sides, is worn standing true to its name, Chaubandi Chola. For extra coverage, the upper body is wrapped elegantly with a piece of cloth that comes in a beautiful print known as hambari. Majeto shawl is also used by them. Let us compare Delhi and Sikkim. Area of Delhi is 1484 km square. Area of Sikkim is 7096 km square. Official language of Delhi, Hindi, English and Urdu. Official language of Sikkim, English, Nepali, Sikkimese, Lepcha. Population of Delhi 1.9 crore. Population of Sikkim 6.19 lakhs. Let's compare Sikkim and Delhi regards cultural difference. In Delhi, festivals celebrated Diwali, the festival of lights, Mahavir Jayanti, Guru Nanak birthday, Raksha Bandhan, Durga Puja, Holi, Lohri, Chauth, Krishna Janmashtami, Mahashivratri, Eid ul Fitr, Muharram and Buddha Jayanti. In Sikkim, festivals celebrated Tihar, Diwali and Dashera. Traditional local festivals such as Maghe Sarkanti, Sakela, Chausak, Tangnam, Bhimsen Puja are popular. Losar, Saga Dawa, Lahbab, Duichin, Drukpa Teshi and Bhumchu. Let us compare Delhi and Sikkim through cuisine. Cuisine in Delhi: butter chicken, dal makhani, shahi paneer, aloo chaat, dahi, bhalla, कचौरी, गोलगप्पे, समोसा, छोले भटूरे, छोले कुलचे, गुलाब जामुन, जलेबी and lassi. Cuisine in Sikkim: noodle based dishes like thukpa, chowmein, thangthuk, faktu, gaithuk, wonton and momos. Famous places in Delhi: India Gate, Humayun's Tomb, Qutub Minar, Mughal Garden, Red Fort, etc. Famous places in Sikkim: Pema Yangtes Monastery, Kanchenjunga National Park, Himalayan Zoological Park, Romtek Monastery, Namchi, etc. Dresses in Delhi: sari, ghagra choli, kurta pajama, salwar kameez. Dresses in Sikkim: thokra dum, bhagu kho, surbil paharia.